Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. SouthBridge in 60 seconds by Fadil Sayed, Network and Research Administrator and Virtual Insider at 9 decades and founder of Netflix Virtual. So let's start today's session. SouthBridge. So the SouthBridge is a component on a computer's motherboard that handles communication between the CPU and slower peripheral devices such as hard drives, USB ports, and audio devices. It provides interfaces and controllers for these devices, allowing them to interact with the CPU central processing unit and the rest of the system. The South Bridge focuses on managing input-output operations and providing connectivity options, making it an important part of the computer's functionality. So here you can just check it like a North Bridge, okay, and South Bridge. So we have covered the topic about Node Batch in another video. You can just watch it in IT in 60 seconds playlist as well. So this is the Node Batch and this is the South Batch in the motherboard.